In this video, we take you over to the Koh Chang archipelago in Thailand to explore an absolutely breathtaking waterfall. I'm Bobby and welcome to Sailing Doodles. It's our patrons that make this possible. They get extra videos and early access to videos. In the previous episode, we enjoyed the beautiful sunsets around Phuket and then took the boat home to the marina.
Good morning, universe! All this is yours!
So this place is...
I feel like a princess in this kind of palace.
It is a beautiful place. I mean, the grounds on this...
Behave, all this can be yours one day, yeah?
Yeah, right? It's beautiful here. My lens keeps fogging up, but we'll make do. So the boat is not ready for a couple days, so we got a hotel here in Koh Chang. This is the Santhia Tree Resort, and absolutely gorgeous. And it's like $60 a night for our rooms. I mean,
I'm pretty sure it's just like a special price for COVID moment, but I don't think this is the normal price.
It's normally pretty cheap anyway, but it's beautiful.
Wonderful. It's just wonderful.
So we are gonna head today to a waterfall, just gonna hang out and get lunch. I'll give you a tour of the rooms. They are absolutely tremendous.
Yeah, we are ready.
Yeah, once we get them cleaned up. But we rented some motorbikes. We're gonna go cruise around and check out the sights of Koh Chang for a day before we get on the boat tomorrow.
Hopefully Taz doesn't die on the moto.
Yeah.
Yes.
She's a...
You know, what's
Well, you got a
the funny
speed
thing?
demon over here. She just flies. And then
That's not
she's...
true.
And then she just died.
We rented the scooters for about $6 each a day, delivered right to our hotel. I don't know that I'd ride a scooter in Bangkok, but in the more remote areas, they're perfectly fine. Koh Chang is about an 80 square mile island with a population of less than 10,000, although when the tourist season is in swing, there can be many more tourists than that. It was a great experience getting to see Thailand with less than 10% of the tourist population they would normally have. Okay, so it's private property to get to the waterfall, but you gotta walk through, so they charge 40 baht a person, whatever. It's like a little over $1 a person to go to the waterfall.
Waiting for her to lose a finger.
He's actually scared.
These are gorgeous. Look at this.
Bird of paradise.
Wow, this is the fucking jungle.
Yeah, beautiful here. Kind of a steep walk, but man, look at this. You can rent these houses too by the waterfall. I'm sure they're not very expensive.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my face.
It was about a 20-minute trek through the jungle to get to the waterfall, and I only got us lost once.
I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn.
In the more challenging spots, someone had installed ropes to help out.
To make something right, make up for what
A little humid down in here. Oh look, there's a couple monkeys right there.
Where? So funny.
I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you.
So you can see there's pipes everywhere. There's these two blue ones. There's a couple black ones been going up the hill here too. That's how a lot of locals get their water, right? They just go down here to the high point of the waterfall, tap into it with these pipes, and then the pipe carries the water all the way down to their house or village or whatever they're doing. I understand that's their way of getting water, but it is kind of an eyesore seeing all the blue pipes go down this pretty cool. We could hear the roar of the waterfall ahead and soon see it through the trees. It was such a great experience having this amazing place all to ourselves. We spent a good hour just taking it in and swimming in the water. They are walking down the river. I'm going on the path. They think theirs is going to be easier. I kind of doubt it. I think they regret walking down the river. I've been sitting here for like at least 15 minutes. Now they're real excited to come across them. The audio didn't come through, but the girls were pretty excited to be finished with their trek through the river. Because I've been waiting here for like 15 minutes or more.
I mean, I guess because it was very slow. Thank you so much.
After the waterfall, it was time to go find some lunch. We survived the waterfall.
We survived this jungle.
Apparently they had a rough trek. So now we're at a Mexican restaurant in Thailand.
Second time. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Legit Mexican food. Pretty nice.
Wow. Very nice. I mean, I almost Mexican.
After a great lunch, we headed back to the hotel, and we were excited to show you the amazing hotel we're staying in. One thing that's pretty convenient here is getting laundry done. It's like, I mean, you drop it off, they get it done the next day, and I mean, like, it has never been so folded and perfect.
I'm pretty good at folding clothes, but these are masters of folding clothes.
And it's pretty cheap. It's 40 baht per kilogram, so it's like what, little about $1 per 2.5 pounds, which I don't know. It's like $2 or $3 to have a load of laundry done, and somebody does it and they make it pretty good. For some reason, Geraldine thinks it's a great idea to go full throttle everywhere we go, so we missed our turn. So the speed demon herself missed the turn. Ah, there she is, way down there. She got too fast. She drives way too fast, like way too fast, honestly. And she's got her turn signal on still. How long has she been driving with that on? I don't know. So now I'm going to show you the rooms, and they are quite separate. The woodwork, they're spectacular. I mean, the woodwork on these things is amazing. I don't know if they're like hand done or what, but I mean, just look at all this. And this is everywhere on this building. Just, the woodwork is amazing. And then it doesn't really stop once you go inside. So I'm going to take you inside right now. So you come in and the woodwork is just spectacular. I mean, it's all intricate carvings everywhere you look. Then you get in here, you have this nice big 4 Now, it's not a 4-poster bed, but it's got, you know, the mosquito nets hanging down from the ceiling. You don't really need them because, you know, to keep the doors closed, you're fine anyway. Just, I mean, but then you walk outside and you have this spectacular view of the mountains, and then there's a river down there that is just beautiful, and then outdoor, you have an outdoor tub for hanging out. That might be something to do here pretty soon. And I mean, just this little infinity pool overlooking the river. I mean, quite nice.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision and denial. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right.
Thailand will always be a special place to me. I'm so grateful I got to see it in these crazy times with so few people.
Moments pass, make this one count.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Please click that subscribe button so that you can follow along on our Thailand adventures.
Yes.